Hi, I'm Natsumi with fitYOGAfit. Today's video is yoga for joint health. Let's get started. Let's sit down nice and tall. Then now thrust your palm heel like this and flex and bend over. Flex, bend over, flex, bend over, flex, bend over. Let's repeat this exercise. And don't tense up your shoulders. Support your arm with your armpit. Serratus anterior muscle. Flex, bend, flex, bend, flex, bend, and flex, bend. Now relax. The tip of your finger on your shoulders and big rotation of your shoulders. Shoulder blades move. Armpit muscle move. Big shoulder rotation. Now reverse. And if you do it really big motion actively, you start feeling the muscle, shoulder blade muscle, armpit muscle, which we won't use usually. Start activate all those muscles and move joints out. All joints. Nourish your joint with good blood flow. And relax. Okay, so now you're sitting down. Open your arms like cactus pose. And pointing your fingers down without changing the elbow position. Open and down. Open, bend down. Open, bend down. You may feel all joint around the arm, hand is really activated. You start feeling the good blood flow around those areas. Shoulder joint, elbow joint. And if you keep your elbow in same position, you can feel more benefit. And relax. You start feeling sore around this muscle and you feel like a joint loosen up about your neck, shoulders, wrist, elbow. Okay, good. So now let's sitting down this way. Dandasana, both knees straight. Okay, now really flex your toes and point. Half point, really flex your toes. Half point, thrust your ball of your feet out and pointing your toes. Halfway and flex. Half point and full point. Half, flex, half, point. Let's repeat. And key is pressing your thighs down and sitting bone down to the mat. And we are activating the toes, the ball of feet, and ankle joints. Also, you may feel good relaxation by doing this after long time of standing up or wearing high heel shoes. Okay, good. Now, open your leg about your hip distance and turn your toes out and turn toes in. Turn toes out, in. So now we activate all joint of root of your legs and knee. Open and pigeon toes. Open toes, pigeon toes, open toes, pigeon toes. Even during this exercise, think about good posture. Sucking your belly to the spine, sitting bone down, crown reaching to the sky, shoulder blades together, and keep your chest open. Feet, toes open, close, toes open, close. You may feel good blood flow around your leg muscle. And release. Okay, now bend one knee, bring it close to your chest. Okay, and from here, so just hug your knee to your chest and inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Key is bring your knee close to your armpit. And stay there. And back to center, release. So now let's change your legs. Okay, now hug. Bring your knee close to your armpit. Keep your straightening your knees. Knee side. Press this leg down to the mat. And bring your knee close to your chest, squeeze into it. Great joint stretch around the root of your legs. Now release. Okay, now other knee bend and sitting bone down and straight knee side, lifting up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Let's repeat here. Now flex. Now let's switch your legs. Other knee straight. Now left knee bend. Lift up straight to the side. Even during this exercise, think about the good posture. Upper body, uplift. Now flex. Good. Now, take a kneeling down position. From here, airplane your arms, palms facing forward. Inhale, exhale. Tilt your upper body while keeping your back straight. Tailbone to crown, one line, shoulder blades together, chest open, widening your collarbones, gaze slightly forward to bring your energy forward. Use your core, squeeze shoulder blades together. Create space each cervical vertebra and vertebra, long neck, long spine. Keep ujjayi breath. And now release, exhale back to center. Hands heart center. Inhale and exhale, bow to your own hands. This sequence is designed to promote joint health and will improve your mobility. I recommend you do it on a regular basis. Also, check out my other videos in the comment section and make sure to subscribe to my channel and select the bell option to get notified of my future videos. See